Hello, you're watching a close-up on Customization 4 in the FabFitFun Fall Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at incredible discounts. I'm Tasha, I'm the brand marketing director at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by April, our beauty director. Thank you so much for joining.
I'm so excited to be here and talk about all these products.
Yes, we are talking about everything in Customization 4. So if you are not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Let's do it.
First up, we have the SACHAJUAN Heat Protection Cream.
So this product is a styling cream and a heat protection cream all in one. So this is really gonna help reduce the effects of heat styling on your hair. If you're like me, you have, a blow dryer, a straightener, a curler, a crimper that you're using on. Exactly. So not only is it going to protect your hair from heat damage, but also leave you with a little bit of hold for styling. And so this product also includes the SACHAJUAN Ocean Silk technology, which is basically a compound that's gonna help moisturize your hair, leave it shiny, and do all of the things that you want it to do.
You know, we would never grab a hot pot without pot holders because we know that's gonna burn and damage our skin.
Exactly.
So why would we put a hot curling iron on our hair?
It's so important. It really should be something that you are incorporating in your routine every single time you're using any type of hot tool.
Yes, and definitely sometimes neglect it. I know I'm guilty of that, so I'm picking this.
Easy.
Next up, we have the Hanky Panky 3-piece packing cubes in Mauve.
So I am a person that uses packing cubes literally every single time that I travel. It's so important to keep your clothes all organized in your suitcase. It comes in these beautiful, kind of dusty rose color, which is really great. When you open up your suitcase, it's a little bit of pop of color, which we love. And it's so important. I'm the person that the suitcase is always at 50 pounds and I'm always just shoving things in there, trying to make it all fit. And so this makes it easy to roll your clothes, to fold them in here. And it comes in 3 different sizes, kind of depending on how you want to organize. A couple things you can do. You can also organize by day for outfits. So you can pre-pack outfits or organize by, bras and underwear, t-shirts, jeans, etc. Really helps making the whole packing experience a little bit easier.
Yeah, Hanky Panky is actually, they started as a lingerie brand. So just really great materials, kind of elevate your, basic functional items.
Absolutely.
I think they're so pretty, beautiful color.
Yeah, and once you start packing with packing cubes, you literally won't go back. You won't go back.
Next up, we have the NUDESTIX Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in Posh.
And so this is a multitasking balm that you can use on both your lip and cheeks. It's not going to make your lips or your cheeks sticky. What I love about NUDESTIX is all of their products have that little kind of dewy glow. It's that no makeup look. So depending on how you want to build the color, you can swipe it on and kind of tap it in for both your lips and your cheeks. So you can use a brush, you can use a sponge, you can use your fingers. And then also too, it's in this really soft pink color that's great for all skin tones. I think when we're thinking about, on our end, sourcing products for the box, it's really important for us that we have colors that are wearable on all different skin tones. So this is definitely that product, and it's vegan and cruelty-free as well. And you can kind of build the color depending on what type of pigment that you want. And you can see it's really beautiful, easy to blend in on the skin. Yeah,
it has a slight shimmer to it.
Yeah.
But it's not overpowering, no actual glitter or anything like that. And it's just a beautiful kind of rosy color.
Yeah. And we love anything that's multitasking too, because I think we're all busy, we're all on the go. We want something we can throw in our bag that's gonna do it all.
Next, we have another hair care product. This is the Arey Live-In Mist Leave-In Conditioner.
So Arey, if you haven't heard of the brand, they are one of my favorite newer hair care brands. They call themselves the wrinkle cream of hair care. And so what that means is they're really focused on repigmenting gray hair. And so this is going to be a lightweight leave-in conditioner that's really gonna help smooth your hair. It's gonna detangle it while also clinically protecting against UV rays. Because what we see with UV rays is that can contribute to gray hair. And it's also great for us to use on color treated hair. And I think a pro tip, obviously a leave-in conditioner is great for when you get out of the shower. That's gonna leave your hair kind of smooth and easy to style. But what you can do is you can actually use this in between washes, spray a little bit on your hair. It's gonna tame your flyaways. And also too, it makes it easy to restyle your hair.
We wear sunscreen on our face every day. We're protecting our skin, but I really have not thought about the UV protection for my hair.
Absolutely.
And I am also starting to get some grays. So
I think we all are.
Immediately.
Exactly, spray it on.
Let's spray it on. They're gone. I have been using this and it's nice and lightweight lightweight. It doesn't, some leave-in conditioners can leave you feeling like you can still feel it on your hair afterward. My hair feels super clean, bouncy. I used it last night.
I love it. And your hair looks fabulous.
Thank you. Next, we have the Homecourt Cece Room Deodorant.
Okay, this is a fun one. So this is the first of its kind. It's a room deodorant. When you think of deodorant, it's something for your body, but this is deodorant for all of your living spaces. So this is gonna help neutralize odors in the kitchen, the bathroom, your kids' room, wherever you need to. And it also smells like, honestly, a fragrance that you would want to wear on your skin.
It is divine.
It smells so good. It's not like other brands that smell like flowers and whatnot. This
or
is
like
like
you're
a
trying to
beautiful,
mask something.
100%.
This is very much like a perfume for your room.
Absolutely. And so it has notes of cedarwood, smoke, sweet cardamom, cinnamon, and white leather. And what's really, I think, innovative and unique about this is it actually uses yeast ferment to break down odor-causing bacteria, and then also charcoal, which helps purify the air in the room as well too. And it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, so safe to use around the house, around the kids.
I am so excited about this. I would love if this came in refills, so tell your merch people that we need
talk
this
to some people.
that we need it in refills. Moving on, we have another hair care product. This is the ColorWow Color Security Shampoo.
So ColorWow is one of my favorite hair care brands. We're super excited to bring this into the box. It's a new brand that you haven't seen at FabFitFun before.
And this is a huge bottle.
Yes, it's a huge bottle. It should last for a long time, 8.4 ounces. So this is a really rich, lathering, sulfate-free formula that's gonna help combat hair thinning, color fading, and it's also safe to use on color. So it has no silicones in it. So again, we've talked about the theme here is not weighing hair down. So this is also not going to weigh your hair down. It's not going to dull it, and it can be used on all hair types. So no matter what type of hair you have, if it's color treated or not, you can still use this shampoo.
And this actually has over 4,000 4.5 star or higher reviews on Glamazon. It rhymes with Glamazon or Shmishmora.
Yep, there we go.
But you can get it discounted at FabFitFun.
Amazing.
That's
great.
This
will be a staple in your shower routine.
Yes. Next, we have a brand that you know and love. This is the Glossier G-Suit Soft Touch Lip Cream in Drive.
So Drive, this shade you can see here, it's a super wearable, kind of warm, rich brown that honestly is perfect for the fall season. See, I've swatched so many swatches of lip, I'm not gonna know what to do. So it's really beautiful. It's a demi-matte lip cream. It delivers bold color, honestly, in one swipe. And it truly glides on the skin or on your lips like butter. And it's gonna leave you with like really high performance payoff while also moisturizing your lip. I think when people think of anything that has matte in the name of it, they think that it's gonna be something that dries them out. But this is a really nice kind of like moisturizing formula that you can see here that blends really nice on the lips too.
Mm-hmm. It has a beautiful reddish brown tone to it.
Yeah.
We previously in the spring box had Curve and Lane, those two shades, and you guys loved it so much that we brought it back in a beautiful fall shade.
Perfect.
Perfect. So
perfect for
you
fall.
guys will really, really like this one.
And I think honestly what I'm gonna try is layering the Glossier G-Suit with the Ula Pout Preserve on top of it to add a little bit of shine.
Look beautiful.
I think that's literally the perfect lip duo.
It is. We're trying that. And last but not least, we have a Tastemade 6-month digital offer for you.
And so if you choose this product in your box, you're gonna get 6 months of Tastemade. And so Tastemade, if you haven't heard of it before, is a digital subscription that has award-winning food and lifestyle shows, over 12,000 recipes.
12,000.
I know. I think all of us
never run out.
No, literally, you never run out. Never ask the question of again, what's for dinner? What's for dinner? You go into Tastemade, figure out your meal plan for the week.
Also, a little bit of a spoiler alert, we do have some products that might pair well with the Tastemade digital membership for you.
That's true.
I think it's really cool that we are now doing these digital offers because if you get a ton of products, if you've been with FabFitFun for a really long time, I think a digital offer to be able to try some experiences is really cool.
Yeah, switch it up.
And maybe it'll help me learn how to be a better cook. Or maybe not, in case you can keep cooking for me. All right, that code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Fall Close Up. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time. Bye.